Hey, I'm Dr. Azmain, and today is the 12th of June 2022. It's exactly 1 year since I started properly posting videos on YouTube. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. Thank you so much to the over 1,700 of you that have subscribed to my channel and the countless others who have viewed my videos in the past year. I'm so glad I started posting on YouTube. I've had such positive feedback from all of you guys. I'm really keen to keep on improving and to bring as much educational and entertainment value to you guys, whether it's about medicine or something else. I want to continue building this wonderful community of people who are respectful and keen to learn and grow together. So I'm also going to be launching a community Discord server very soon indeed, so stay tuned for that. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok at Dr. Azmain. Once again, thank you all. It's my mission to positively impact and educate people, and I could not do it without you guys. I've made a few other videos about my YouTube journey so far. You can check them out here. And until next time, stay groovy.